Hello, friends. Welcome to English with Mahmud Shamim. Today, I'm going to give you some important information which is about get. I think you know already is about get little or very much. Okay, how to use get appropriately in the sentences and what should be the meanings uh, of get. I think this video will help you a lot to know. Generally, we see native speakers use get in their daily conversation, okay, and their spoken English. So, if you want to speak like natives, I think this lesson is for you, okay, and if you want to speak to another person by using get confidently, I think this lesson will help you a lot. Okay. So, friends, before going to start, I would like to say one thing. If you are new, so please subscribe, like, and share. Okay. So, you should watch the full video. Don't skip the video. Maybe this video is important for you. So, friends, let's get started. Friends, already I have told you my today's lesson is about get. Here I have written get meanings find, give, serve, bring, take, catch. 6 verbs. Okay. We will try to find appropriate meanings in these 6 verbs. Okay. So friends, let's start. So my first verb is find. It means to discover or perceive by chance or unexpectedly. Okay. So my first example is, where did you find this information? Instead of using find in this statement, we can use get. So the sentence is, where did you get this information? I think the first sentence you got it clearly. Okay, is about find. So let's talk about the next verb, which is give. It means freely transfer the possession of something to someone. Okay, so the first example is, can I give you a drink? Or can I give you a coffee? This type of sentences, when you see, it means offer. Here you see I have written offer. Okay. So instead of using give in this statement, we have to use get. Okay. To express better. Okay. So the sentence is, can I get you a drink, or can I get you a coffee? Okay, I think you got it. So the next example is, she gave him presents and clothes. Instead of using give in this statement, we can use get. Okay, she got him presents and clothes. Okay. Friends, here you see got is a past form because gave here is a past form. Okay, that's why we have to use got. Okay, so friends, let's jump to another verb, which is serve. It means to perform duties or services for another person or organization. Okay, so friends, the example is, can I serve you a drink? Or can I serve you a coffee? These types of sentences mean offer. Here you see I have written offer. Okay, so instead of using serve in this statement, we can use get. can I get you a coffee? Or can I get you a drink? I think you understood. So I would like to say one more sentence which is about serve. Okay, David has served the church very faithfully. Okay, so instead of using serve, we can use get in this statement. So the statement is, or sentence is, David has got the church very faithfully. Okay, I think friends, you understood clearly. Okay, what am I trying to say in this statement? So friends, let's move to another verb, which is bring. It means to take or go with someone or something to a place. Okay, so the first example is she brought Marina home from hospital. Okay, instead of using bring, we have to use get. Okay, in this statement. So the sentence is she got Marina home from hospital. Here you see got is a past form because brought here is a past form. That's why we have to use got in this statement as a verb. Okay, so the next statement is I'll bring you there on time. Instead of using bring in this statement, okay, we can use get. So the sentence is I'll get you there on time. Okay, so friends, let's talk about the next verb, which is take. It means to lay hold of something with one's hands, reach for or hold. Okay, so the first example is I'll take you there on time. Instead of using take in this statement, we can use get. So this statement is I'll get you there on time. Okay, so the next statement is Mrs. John took another biscuit. Okay, so instead of using take, we will use get in this statement as a verb. Okay, so the sentence is Mrs. John got another biscuit. Here you see also got is a past form. Okay, because took here is a past form. That's why we have to use got in this statement as a verb. Okay, so friends, my last verb in this lesson, which is catch. It means to intercept or hold something which has been thrown, propelled, or dropped. Okay, so the example is catch him. Instead of using catch, okay, we can use get. We can say get him. Okay, we can use also get the thief. Okay, so friends, I think you got lots of important information which is about get. Whenever you are going to use get in your daily speaking, I think this video will help you a lot. Okay, so friends, if you get some benefits in this lesson, please subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notifications so you never miss any lesson when you upload. Okay, so friends, that's all for today. I'll be here with new another topic. Till then, wait. Bye for now. Bye bye.